The developer incentives also apply for these townhomes, which are villas, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, with 1,400 square feet under AC up to 1,550 square feet under AC, also coming with your private backyard. These start at $485,000 up to $500,000. You can also buy them with 3.5% to 5% down payment, and the developer is going to pay 100% of your closing costs, which, by the way, that has a value of between $25,000 to $35,000 worth of closing costs that they're going to pay on your behalf. On top of that, you can also qualify to get the preferred interest rate fixed for 30 years. You can get it as low as 4.99% interest rate on your loan when you purchase a property with these developers. You can purchase a property that's ready to move in and get these incentives, or you could purchase a property maintaining these incentives for a property that could be delivered 3 or 6 months down the road. Let's go check out the inside. If you want to get a private tour, all you got to do is send me a message. My name is Bryan Roach. You're a real estate agent here in Miami, Florida. Let's go check out the inside.